In this video, we're going to get an overview of our full stack project. For our project, we're going to build a real-time e-commerce application, and it'll be a full stack application. So we'll have an Angular front end and we'll have a Spring Boot back end. The front and back end will communicate using the REST API. And also in the back end, we'll have a database set up and we'll have full CRUD support for our given database. Alrighty, and so here are our project requirements from the boss. So we'd like to be able to show a list of products. We'd also like to be able to add products to the shopping cart and have CRUD support on that shopping cart. And then also perform shopping cart checkout and also add user login, logout security. And finally, track the previous orders for logged in users. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and look at the wireframes for this project. So here's our home page. So at the top, we'll have our Love to Shop application. We'll have a search bar along the top. And also over on the far right, we'll have a shopping cart status. Over on the left-hand side, we'll have some categories where we can shop by category. And then the main content panel will show all of the list items of the actual products for our application. And then in the bottom right, we can do some pagination and play around. So that's kind of the basic layout here for our home page. And then moving forward, once the user selects a given product, then right here in the center, we'll have the actual product details. So, information about the product, the title, the subtitle, price, an option to add to cart, and then more detailed product description for this given item. And then here's a view of the shopping cart details page. So we'll show a list of all of the items in the shopping cart. And so over on the right-hand side, they can perform some operations on the shopping cart like increase the quantity or decrease, remove something. We'll see the subtotals. And then at the bottom, we'll have totals for everything. And then a button there to actually perform a checkout. And so here's our checkout page. So we collect the standard information, right? The customer's name, email address, their shipping address, their billing address, also collect their credit card information. And then finally, we have a section where they can review their order. And finally here, there's the purchase button to actually complete the checkout. Okay, so those are all the wireframes. Here's our release plan for releasing our product. So we'll release it in multiple versions. So in the release version 1.0, we'd like to be able to show a list of products. And then in release 2.0, we'll add products to our shopping cart and also perform the shopping cart checkout. And in release 3.0, we'll add user login, logout security, and also support the track previous orders for logged in users. Okay, so this looks like a really good release plan. I like it.